Hey there, shopkeepers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase the profit of a single item in Moonlighter 2. Managing prices in your shop is one of the key aspects of being a successful shopkeeper, but finding ways to increase your profit even further is another thing. There are multiple ways to do this, but during the early stages of the game, there's one huge bonus that can be very easy to overlook. Right after you're introduced to Keeper, your assistant shop robot interact with it and select Furniture. From here, you'll be able to adjust the placement of your item pedestals. If you hover over one of your pedestals and select Replace, you'll notice that an upgraded item pedestal is already available for you to use. Simply replace one of your current pedestals with this upgraded version. Now, every time you sell an item placed on this pedestal, you'll get a 20% increase in profit from that single item. This is one of the best ways to quickly complete your first gold requirement for the secret vault. A useful tip is to place one of your highest quality or most expensive relics on this pedestal. If you combine the 20% bonus with an already valuable item you acquired during your dungeon runs, you can make significantly more profit from a single sale. And that's how to increase the profit of a single item in Moonlighter 2. If this helped you out, please drop a like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.